Welcome to the session. Today, we'll explore how to perform right-to-left function composition in JavaScript. This technique allows us to dynamically combine functions to create new, reusable logic while maintaining a clean, functional programming style. Let's dive in. In function composition, we combine smaller functions to create more complex ones. Here, we're focusing on right-to-left composition, where the output of the rightmost function becomes the input for the function in the chain. The compose function uses reduce to iterate over an array of functions, creating a new function that applies them in reverse order. For example, when multiply and add 5 is called, it first computes the product of two numbers and then adds 5 to the result. The composition starts with the rightmost function. Its result flows through the chain of functions, producing the final output. This allows us to dynamically combine logic in a clean and functional manner. In this example, the multiply function is executed first with inputs 5 and 2, producing 10. Then, add 5 takes the result 10 and adds 5, giving the final output 15. Functional composition is widely used in real-world applications, especially in frameworks and libraries. For instance, in Redux, middleware functions are composed to handle actions and update the application state dynamically. In conclusion, function composition simplifies the way we combine logic dynamically. This technique is not only elegant but also practical, especially in scenarios involving middleware or data pipelines. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.